It's just a vibe, I'm that guy. Put her legs in the sky whenever I.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Charlene.
And it's your girl Shauna.
And we're back with another video. So as you guys can see, you guys woke up with me. I did my hair, brushed my teeth.
I'm just getting back. I already done all that.
As you already see by the title, it's just gonna be a daily vlog.
We gotta do laundry.
We gotta do laundry, so we might take you on the trip to do laundry with us.
Right.
I just want to say thank you guys for getting us so close to 500 subscribers. Thank you for all the views. Thank you for the comments. We appreciate you guys. But yeah, so with that being said, you already know what to do. Before we get right into this video, don't forget to like,
comment,
and subscribe, and join the family.
So I just want to show y'all 449 subscribers and officially at 3.9k views on our last video to Georgia, 6k views on Shauna's birthday vlog. So I just want to thank you guys. Thank you for all the love and support, and don't forget, subscribe to Charlene and Shauna.
A few minutes later.
Look at beautiful sky. Hot as hell out here. How smart that is. They got a drying rack outside. It is 97 degrees.
97.
Yes.
Well, can you help me in first?
Yes, I will help you in first. Open sesame. Look how struggling.
Lovely.
So, welcome to our laundry room. This is our laundry room. I think they already have like these off, this is off, and this one is off. They taking all this out, and we're getting washer and dryer in our house.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I
don't know if y'all can see, but I'm going to check the mailbox, the mail center. There's even mail inside of this damn thing. Okay. Done. Got the mail. And back home we go. Home sweet home.
I was trying to fix my hair because it looked like a hot mess that came from the pool. It's over now. You go on the shopping cart.
Yeah.
Don't record my butt.
I zoomed in so like I could see half your torso.
Okay, good.
We're gonna get the clothes from the the dryers. You guys, Shauna's in the shower. I'm gonna prank her. Alright guys, so Shauna's in the shower. I'ma prank her. She's gonna play the game out here and I'ma unplug it. She's either gonna play 2K or GTA. This girl don't play about her game. Like, if I slightly drop it a little bit, she's going insane. If I get in front of the TV and she misses a shot, she's going insane. Like, she don't play. Wish me luck because that girl's crazy. Let me be quiet. Let me set up so that I can record this because she's about to get out the shower any second. Trying to figure out where I'm gonna set the camera up, but let's go.
Just
What?
you just cut off the light. Oh, stop playing.
I'm not playing.
Put it back.
I mean, I can turn it on, but I'm not putting it back. I'm not putting it back on the wall.
Yes, you are.
Well, I'm not.
All right, then let's see like that. What's wrong with you? Why would you cut it off the work like you did?
What?
You could have just unplugged this from here.
I was trying, bro, to turn off the sound.
Right.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You just literally cut it off.
I didn't mean to.
Bro, there's nothing
I
funny
was
about
trying
that.
to turn off the light instead of the game.
Let me feed my damn bro. Like, what's your problem? Why would you do that to begin with?
Do what?
Why would you cut off the whole thing? You don't even make sense. Who does that? Why would you let me have this go ahead while you playing the game, just cut it off? Think I was in the basketball game. I was fucking living.
I think this one turned off too.
I know you're not going there and turn it off, bro.
I just came from the bathroom.
Bro, come on. Stop before you fuck up my PlayStation.
I didn't do anything. Bro, I just literally came from the bathroom.
After I said what I said, bro.
About what?
Come on. Stop doing that.
I didn't do nothing.
You want to listen to my whole PlayStation.
But I didn't do nothing.
Yes, you just turned it off in here. Stop touching.
That wasn't. It wasn't
I don't
important
care. Yes,
anyway.
it wasn't.
It wasn't
You
important.
just, after I just told you I don't care, it wasn't my place because my place is still on. You don't go in the damn room and turn off mine.
You said what now?
You said what now? You said what now?
You got pranked.
Yo,
Say hi to this one too.
you're corny. You're real corny.
You still salty over there?
Yes. Imagine if I was in a 2K game.
Yeah, I would have did it too. Guys, Team Charlene. Are you mad? Are you
I'm
sad?
annoyed. You know that. You annoyed.
I took a W. Our first prank video. Well, my first prank video. I think I did pretty good. If you ask me. Come here, babe.
No.
Team Charlene.
Nah, bro.
Come on. Come on.
Bro, stop following me. I'm not playing with you.
Come on. Say Team
Get out my
Charlene.
face.
Say it. I'm gonna follow you until you say it. She's tight, guys. You mad?
No. Leave me alone.
Why?
Why are you disrespectful?
How am I disrespectful?
I was like about to dash it to you.
Come on, stop being a sourpuss. Say Team Charlene! Guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the team. Well, don't forget to stay tuned and turn on the post notification bell so you guys get notified every time we post a banger. Say bye to YouTube. Say bye.
Look, she got her clothes off from the walk, and she won't waste no time. Oh, she don't want nobody else, I know, but I can't be what she wants.